Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with On, and I'm at the Bass Pro Shop, and here are a couple other fish. Uh, they have largemouth bass, crappie, small bass, and blue catfish. And here are all their fish. There's one of the catfish now. Wow, look at the big backs and everything. It's so beautiful up here too. Uh, Hope you all enjoy it as much as I did. God bless and Jesus loves you all. Uh, it's a really pretty tank they have here. You should visit with the little bears and everything up here. And they have all kinds of clothes and everything too. Hope you enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all. Good. Hope you have a Merry Christmas. Uh, Love you all out there.